TV-shaped watches were a big deal in the 1970s, and Mido is bringing that retro energy back with a modern twist. Meet the new Mido Multifort TV Big Date in titanium, a lightweight, stylish, and surprisingly accessible sports watch. This isn't Mido's first TV Big Date, but it is the very first one in titanium. Measuring 39.2 by 40 millimeters and just 11.5 millimeters thick, it wears compact, but the titanium keeps it super light and tough. The vertically brushed bezel, recessed pip at 12, and screw-down crown with guards all give it a sporty, rugged look, and it's water-resistant to 100 meters. The star of the show is right up top, Mido's Big Date window at 12 o'clock. The twin discs display numerals nearly 3 times larger than what you usually see, so it's bold, clear, and easy to read. The gradient gray dial features horizontal grooves, applied indices filled with superluminova, and baton hands that glow bright in low light. It's clean, modern, and very legible. The titanium bracelet has brushed outer links, polished center links, and a folding clasp. Thanks to quick-release pushpins, you can swap straps in seconds. Inside is the Powermatic 80 automatic movement, with an 80-hour power reserve, a Nivacron balance spring for shock and anti-magnetic resistance, and a custom Mido rotor with Geneva stripes. The Mido Multifort TV Big Date Titanium is part of the permanent collection and priced at 1,290 Swiss franc. Retro 70s styling, modern materials, and serious value. Not bad at all. Would you add a TV-shaped watch to your collection? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews.